Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Jura Z6, both super-automatic espresso machines. Seems like a battle of titans.
Totally. Both are aiming for that perfect cup of coffee, but they approach it from different angles. The Philips, at around $799, is boasting about its LatteGo system for milk frothing. It's super easy to clean, like only 2 parts and no tubes, which is a big plus.
Yeah, cleaning is a pain normally, and it mentions 12 different coffee options, which is pretty versatile. Plus, that aroma extract system sounds fancy, keeping the brewing temp just right.
The Jura Z6, well, it's a different beast altogether. It's currently unavailable, and when it was available, it was significantly more expensive. Think premium, high-end.
What makes it so special then? Besides the higher price tag, obviously.
The Jura focuses on what they call the pulse extraction process, or P.E.P, for espresso. Apparently, it mimics the best baristas to get a richer aroma. And the milk foam is supposed to be amazing, switching automatically between milk and foam.
So, more emphasis on the espresso itself, while the Philips is more about convenience and variety. The Philips also has ceramic grinders that are supposed to last for 20,000 cups. Gotta love longevity.
Exactly. And the Jura has a Clearol water filter with an RFI tag, which some users found annoying because it forces you to replace the filter regularly, even if it's not completely used. That could add up in cost.
That's a definite downside. What about customization? Can you tweak the settings on both?
The Philips has a coffee customizer for intensity, coffee, and milk length, plus an extra shot function. The Jura is programmable, but details are a bit vague. It seems to be more about preset perfection.
So if you want lots of options and easy cleaning, the Philips 5400 seems like a solid choice, especially for the price. But if you're a serious espresso aficionado and money is no object, the Jura Z6 might be worth tracking down if it ever becomes available again.
Pretty much sums it up. It really depends on your priorities and budget, and whether you can even find a Z6 these days.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.